Welcome to 17,000 Flavors of Indonesia with
Betty Minton.
She's from Virginia. And so what we're gonna cook today then, actually?
We're actually gonna cook what we call, in my family, Granny's macaroni and cheese. And Granny's was my mother.
Yeah.
And this recipe has gone through her mother and her and me and my sister and all of the grandchildren, which there are, let's see, how many are there? 5 grandchildren. So everybody has their own version of it. Everybody makes it a little bit different, but the boys and the girls all cook it, the grandchildren. We're gonna make another version for the day.
There you go.
Because this is my new grandson,
Okay. Hi.
Is before we do the Indonesian twist that is different from everybody else's mac and cheese is it has crushed tomatoes in it.
That's the secret.
That's one of the secrets. This is true. It has some other things in it too that make it a little bit different. It has some sugar and some other stuff in it. So that's a little twist on your normal mac and cheese.
We're gonna combine the secret granny mac and cheese with bumbu kuning. It's basically turmeric, galangal, and garlic. So we're gonna see the combination of Virginian taste with Indonesian taste. Can we start now?
Let's go.
Okay, what are we gonna do first?
Well, the first thing we need to do is it calls for a box, a family-sized box of Kraft Deluxe macaroni and cheese. 2 directions on the package.
There you go.
So, sort of al dente.
Do you want it salt now, or?
I've already salted it.
Already salted it.
So now the macaroni has cooked. That in your drained macaroni. Cheese. So stir that up because the heat of the macaroni, of course, is going to melt that. To this, we add a 27-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Not the flavored kind of tomatoes, just regular crushed tomatoes. And then to the tomatoes, to taste, you can add sugar. And I add anywhere from a 1/2 cup to 3/4 cup. Usually I stay with the 1/2 cup, and these are 1/4 cup measures. So you just be sure you mix that good and throw it right in the pot. The good thing about this, for me, is because it's a 1-pot meal. So we're stirring that up. It's in. Right in there, and mix that up. And let's put 1/2 of that package in here too, so that'd be
3 cups.
3 cups. Again, you can do this to taste, but we like lots of cheese. Reserve the rest of it for the top, because when you cook it, this is going to bake in the oven at 350. Pan, or you can grease the casserole dish with a little vegetable oil, which is what this is, just for ease of handling. Now, so that is Granny's macaroni and cheese before it's baked.
Then now
it's going to be Avi's macaroni and cheese.
Yes. Then we're gonna infuse kind of Indonesian taste in this granny mac and cheese. Okay.
You're officially adopted into our family.
1, 2, try 3 spoons first. It twists a little bit, right? There's
That's it. 4.
4 tablespoons, guys. Okay. It enhance the taste.
It doesn't change it from, I mean, you still taste the tomatoes, you still taste the little sugar, you still taste the cheese, but it just, I can taste some of the garlic, and you can, it comes up in your palate, you know, in your nose. It's good.
Alright then. Granny special mac and cheese with bumbu kuning, 350 degrees, 35 minutes.
To 45.
To 45. Okay. Mac and cheese by Betty
and Avi.
and Abby. and we infuse Indonesian taste, which is the bumbu kuning. How is that turned out? Your recipe with Indonesian taste.
Very good. Very cheesy.
Very cheesy.
Very
and
tomatoey. Very garlicky. Very.
It's everything is just right there.
Very good.
So, guys, don't forget to try this at home. Go to 17,000flavors.cooking. Buy the seasoning. Your food, my taste with 17,000 flavors of Indonesia.
Yes.
Make the world taste here. Bye bye.